Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Shay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Sunrise Braid, a beautiful lacy braid, lace, edging or even a thoran, and it is made up of shells and scallops, and it develops as we proceed. You can make it into any length that you like. So because it is worked in short rows, that's the beauty of this particular lace. The short row rays are more versatile than the long row rays, because long chain rays laces will have to have a fixed length in the beginning itself, but short row repeat laces can be worked to the desired length that we like. So let's go into the video, and before that, let me tell you this particular small sample I made with my hobby store Aaron premium acrylic 5 ply anti-pill yarn and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video without any delay. Make a foundation chain of 10. Now for the foundation row you need to make 3 doubles, chain 3 doubles, all in the 7th chain from the hook. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles, skip the next 2 chain spaces and make 1 treble into the last chain, not double, treble. This is the foundation row. For row 1, turn your work, chain 4, it counts as a treble, place 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles, all in the chain 3 space. Now place a treble on top of the turning chain here. So when you're making a treble, you get a larger loop here. So pull out the hook from the last loop. Take your hook underneath this and pull through. So this becomes a better stitch. Turn your work and repeat row 1 again for row 2. 1 2 3 4, 3 trebles, chain 3, 3 trebles. Oh god. Sorry, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. Now make a treble in the turning chain on top of the turning chain. For row 3, chain 4 and turn, or turn and make a chain 4. It counts as one treble. 3 DC, chain 3, 3 DC, all in this chain 3 space. Chain 1, 1 DC, 1 chain 8 times into the chain 4 space here. After chaining 1 double crochet, chain 1 double crochet, chain 1, 8 times. Place the stitch, repeat 8 times into this chain space. So having repeated this 8 times, miss this treble here and slip stitch into the first of the 4 chains of the very first row. So after slip stitching for this third row, turn your work, chain 3, miss the first chain and the first DC, place 1 single crochet in the next chain space, then again chain 3, 1 single into the next chain space. So repeat this till you reach the end of this stitches here between the DCs. So till you reach, you'll have 6 scallops. So complete the scallop, 3 chain scallop, and get back. Having placed your single crochet separated by 3 chains in these 6 chain 1 spaces, chain 4, miss this DC and chain 1, three DC, chain 3, 3 DC, all into the shell. Now place a treble on the top of the turning chain here. So this is how the edging, lace, or the toran develops into. Repeat the rows 1 to 4 to the length desired. So I shall complete to a certain length and get back to you. I completed 2 more repeats of the pattern, rows 1 to 4, and this is how this sunrise braid develops into or looks like. And it can be used as a toran, it can be used as a lace edging, or it can be used as a braid, it can be used as a hairband too when you fix it onto your hairband. Okay, hope you like this video, friends, the small effort of ours. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done so. Like and share our videos. Do click on the bell icon so that you are notified of all the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you, friends, once again. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.